Do you think your cough is just from a cold? Think again. Sometimes that nagging cough is actually a gut issue in disguise. Silent acid reflux, also called GERD, can send stomach acid up your throat without causing heartburn. Instead, it irritates your throat. And boom, constant coughing. Even doctors miss it sometimes. Common triggers: spicy food, caffeine, late night meals, pregnancy, and even stress. Yup. Your gut is speaking through your throat. If your cough just won't quit, maybe it's time to fix your gut, not your lungs. Eat clean, de-stress, and always talk to your doctor. Because wellness starts from within.